Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Drumstick. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Fascinating points. In Sanskrit, the drumstick is known as Shobhanjan, elegant tree, Shigru, highly potent, Akshiva, anti-hypnotic, and Mochka, the one that cures disease. In the state of Maharashtra, the tree of drumstick is present practically in the backyard of all the houses. This is partly because it does not require extra care of nourishment or water supply, and yet offers a very high yield of the fruits. It is mainly of two types, bitter drumstick and sweet drumstick. Bitter drumstick grows very fast and produces a much higher yield. The sweet drumstick has to be cultivated scientifically to get a good crop throughout the year. The tree is 5 to 7 meters tall with a comparatively weak bark, which breaks even at the gust of moderately high winds. The leaves are compound, having evenly placed 6 to 9 leaflets of the size of 1 to 1.5 centimeters. The inflorescence consists of small, delicate, bluish-white fragrant flowers. The fruits are grayish-green in color, each of which is around 15 to 25 centimeters long, having vertical indentations. The seeds are white, triangular, and bitter. The bark has a very strong smell. Drumstick is available in all parts of India as well as in Burma. However, as per the place, the fruits exhibit mild variations in size, shape, and taste. The fruits show a very high protein content, whereas the leaves are rich in vitamins A, B complex, C, and E, and minerals like iron, calcium, and copper. The flowers are also rich in vitamins B complex, K, and E. The fruits, flowers, and leaves are used for cooking. Medicinal uses. Dosage. The medicinal dose of the bark juice is 5 to 10 milliliters. Decoction of the bark is around 20 to 30 milliliters. Leaf juice is 10 to 20 milliliters. And seeds powder is 500 milligrams. Abscess. The local application of the paste of the bark or leaves is very effective in either subsiding a boil abscess or in enhancing the pus drainage from it. Wound. The bark can be directly applied on very badly infected wounds to prevent secondary infection. Glandular enlargement. Paste of the gum secreted from the bark, onion, and black pepper should be applied to the enlarged lymph glands. Excessive sneezing. Powder of the dried seeds is used as nasal insufflation in headaches, cough, and the common cold. This causes excessive sneezing of the strong, dry, and hot qualities of the seeds and brings out the cough. Joint pain and chronic paralysis. The oil extracted from the seeds is very effective as a local application in joint pain and chronic paralysis. For the same complaints, leaf juice mixed with castor oil can also be applied to the affected areas. This should be coupled with internal consumption of decoction of castor root and drumstick leaves. Somatic symptoms. The leaves, fruits, and flowers of drumstick are known to enhance immunity. Therefore, various food recipes prepared from these are indicated as the favorable diet in a variety of disorders such as chronic fever, arthritis, asthma, pneumonia, tuberculosis, and other debilitating chronic diseases. The food recipes of drumstick act as an appetizer, antispasmodic, digestive, and anti-flatulent. Tooth disorders. The fruits, if chewed in the raw form, strengthen teeth and gums. Gaseous distension. For gaseous distension, 10 milliliters of leaf juice should be taken with sugar. Wantings. Powder of the root of drumstick and cumin seeds should be taken along with rice starch in case of vomiting. Kidney disorders. Cooked drumstick fruits cause increased urine excretion and exert a beneficial effect on body swelling. Worm infestation. The patties prepared from the flowers exert a soothing effect on the eyes, while cooked leaves and fruits are effective in removing intestinal gases and worm infestation. Contaminated water. Powder of the dried fruits acts as a water purifier if added in the dose of 1 teaspoon per 10 liters of contaminated water, especially during the rainy season. A word of caution. Since the drumstick is dry, hot, and very strong, it should be avoided by the persons having pitta type of temperament. If used in excess, it might cause generalized weakness.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jiva, Sharado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
డాక్టర్ చిరుమామిళ్ల మురళీ మనోహర్, ఎండి ఆయుర్వేద, రక్ష ఆయుర్వేదాలయ, ప్లాట్ నంబర్ 13, రామ్మూర్తి నగర్, సిబిసిఐడి కాలనీ, హైదర్ నగర్, హైదరాబాద్ 5,85,000, తెలంగాణ స్టేట్, ఇండియా. ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ కుక్కట్పల్లి ఏరియా, మెట్రో టైన్ పిల్లర్ నంబర్ A663. ఈమెయిల్ muralymanohar2008@gmail.com. వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ www.muralymanohar.com. ఫోన్ నంబర్స్ 9246575510, 9177445454.